unboxing the SILVERCREST hairdryer, and it's about 15 euros and a little. So we're going to be unboxing it today.
Hi, welcome to my channel. And I bought this hair dryer for me because it's so hard to when you get shower and then you get sweat. This here in Serbia is so cold, so I prefer to buy this one. It's in euro is like 15 euro. Yeah, in Philippines like 1,000 only. 1,000 pesos. Yes. So this is the back, so I will open it. So it's sealed, sealed. See, so we will open like this. It's so hard, but it's okay. See this. Remove this plastic. Yeah, 2 hours later. Mahirap na kasi manghiram tayo lagi. So, kailangan meron pa rin bagay. Personal mo. Ito yung loob niya. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ang brand niya is
SILVERCREST.
So, ito, made from Germany.
It's made in Germany, yeah.
Yes, made in Germany. Okay. Aha! We have this.
The attachment.
Attachments. So we'll open this one. This is for, I will read in the manual also. So all of these things are there in the back. So we'll check the manual. My God, I can understand. Here is,
It's German, I think.
German language. Oh my God.
You have to look through the index to find English. Well, I don't know, maybe they don't have for this market, you know, they don't have English.
Oh yeah, I think so.
It's gone with the unit.
Okay, but I want to know how to use this.
Okay, we're gonna plug it in.
So I opened this already, and there's
Attachment.
Attachment, yes, it is for the heads here. So wait, nothing inside. Nothing.
There's nothing inside.
Brand is
SILVERCREST.
Yeah, and there is an option also for the wire.
For the cord.
Yes. See, you just pull it and then you just click this one to show. Okay. For warning. Yeah, not allowed. If
Don't take a shower and use the hairdryer at the same time.
you will die.
You're gonna get electrocuted.
See, it's nice because there is what it's called. I don't know.
I don't know. It's like I don't know what it's called.
It's just like vacuum, you know.
Yeah.
You just
Yeah, like a vacuum.
and also here the option. There is a code 1, 2, 3 and cold or hot. You can choose which one do you like. And it's made in manufactured by SILVERCREST, yes. And it's Germany, made in Germany. Germany. Okay. So let's try this one.
Okay. Alright, it's working now?
Yeah, it's working. You need to put this one.
You have to screw it on?
Yes.
Maybe you have to screw it on. Okay, we're having some technical difficulties. We'll be back. So we managed to put the extension on. You have to press a little bit harder for it to come on.
It's so so try natin kung gagana ba siya. So yan from here. So how many meters? Like
It's maybe 2 meters, yeah.
2 meters the cord. So the option is here. You will on now.
Alright, so we managed to put the diffuser on. It gives volume to your hair while you're drying. Try it on. Try it. Try it. Yeah. I'm not sure how you... I think you're supposed to go through...